Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I'll show you how to unsubscribe from Finelo AI and cancel your subscription in a quick and easy way. If you've been charged or no longer want to continue the service, just follow these steps carefully. Let's get started. First, open the Finelo app or website and log in using your email. Once you're inside your account, go to your profile section, usually located at the top corner. Tap on it and look for the option called Manage Subscription. Click on it to open your subscription settings. Now, inside this section, find the Cancel or Cancel Subscription option. Tap on it and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your cancellation. Make sure you complete all the steps until you receive a confirmation message. If you subscribe through the Google Play Store or Apple App Store, the process is a bit different. Go to your device settings, open your Play Store or App Store profile, then tap on Subscriptions. Find Finelo AI selected and tap on Cancel Subscription. If you face any issues, you can contact Finelo support. Just go to the support section, submit a ticket, enter your email, and explain your issue. And that's it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.